So, Christina, tell me why and when you came to see me. What you needed help with.
I needed help with a persistent cough that had been going on for about 2 months nonstop. Couldn't even sleep at nights. It was just unbearable. My chest was always tight, and my regular physician couldn't even figure out what was wrong. I went through different medications for bronchitis, thinking it was bronchitis, and nothing helped. Finally, when my husband was the one who mentioned homeopathic medicine, he scheduled me and came in, and literally that night, after taking the first 2 caplets, I was able to sleep all night without having to wake up for anything. So since then, I've been doing great. It's been about a week now.
What did you think of your practitioner?
I think it's great. You're awesome. So very likable, friendly, able to be open with you and not feel intimidated or afraid to say, that you're gonna think of me as being weird, I guess.
And what would you recommend to other people about using homeopathy?
Well, if they've used to seeing their regular physician and aren't getting anywhere with their symptoms, it seems like they're prolonging for days, if not weeks on end, I say they need to try homeopathic. And this coming from me, that I did work in the medical field with many physicians, yeah, you definitely need to try homeopathic if a regular physician can't find the cure.